Hydrogen boilers heat the home with both natural gas and pure hydrogen. The huge upside is that there's very little difference between a gas boiler and a hydrogen one, so you'd barely notice the change, and you wouldn't have to fork out on hefty installation costs. Another plus point is that hydrogen is non-toxic compared to most fossil fuels and doesn't produce carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide. So, what's the drawback? Well, the main problem is that hydrogen-ready boilers are currently unavailable in the UK. Hydrogen is also notoriously difficult to store because it's so light, meaning transportation and storage issues would have to be resolved beforehand. And there's more. Hydrogen is super flammable and burns with a near invisible flame, so special safety measures would have to be put into place before you can use hydrogen as a heating system. All in all, there are quite a few obstacles compromising the feasibility of hydrogen boilers, but who knows? Let's see how the research goes.